Here are actions while driving on the road that can lead to instant bad karma and are worthy of condemnation. Let's begin. It seems that a collision had occurred, but the actions of the man in the blue shirt were extremely aggressive and over the top. Not only did he raise his voice, but he also made threatening gestures, causing chaos in the area. Fortunately, the police promptly arrived at the scene to intervene and handle the situation.
Thanks. There's one that's right there. There's one that's right there. Bye. Thank you. Man.
What is he doing? It looks so confusing and out of control. Perhaps the reason is that the police towed his car, which made him angry and led to such violent actions. In his fury, he seemed to lose the ability to think clearly and started reacting negatively, making the situation even more tense. This woman lost her composure, couldn't control her emotions, and caused everything to spiral out of control. In her rage, she acted impulsively and created unintended consequences.
You pulled out in front of me, it's all on camera. Get back!
You're right.
Love the fuck!
He lost his composure, stopping the car to handle the situation impulsively. In his anger, he not only halted in the middle of the road, but also acted aggressively, obstructing traffic and escalating the tension.
What's up, love? What's up? Your car's rolling. Your car's rolling. Your car's rolling. Put your handbrake on, love. Put your handbrake on. Car's rolling.
You clearly want to talk to me. How can I help you? How can I help you?
How can I help you?
By backing off and not driving up the arse.
I'm not driving up the arse, man.
Alright, it's on video.
It is on video, that's why I'm waiting.
Right.
You can see it there.
Cool stuff.
You can see that on video.
So why are you honking your horn at me?
You're trying to film me. I'm taking the piss out of you like you're taking the piss out of me.
I'm not taking the piss out of you. I try to ride safely.
The video shows that this man was very aggressive and acted impulsively. He expressed his anger intensely, not only through his words, but also through his gestures and actions. This woman is extremely hot-tempered, reacting intensely and unable to control her emotions.
Disaster.
Get in my car, and you're driving like so you want to videotape me? You.
Is that all?
This young girl is really funny, isn't she? Her actions are truly hilarious, from repeatedly doing meaningless gestures to her exaggerated reactions. She seems unaware of her own absurdity, and her gestures and responses create a picture that's both comical and ridiculous, making it impossible for people to hold back their laughter while watching. This man is loudly challenging and facing immediate consequences. He not only creates chaos with his loud arguments, but also engages in provocative behavior. He is unlikely to escape punishment from the police, and his actions could lead to more serious repercussions that he hasn't anticipated. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below so we can discuss together. We eagerly await your feedback and suggestions to improve our content and bring you even more interesting videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We are always ready to listen and share with you. A chaotic brawl broke out, with everything happening rapidly and out of control. Shouts, insults, and arguments filled the air, mixed with pushing and violent actions. The participants in the dispute not only used words, but also resorted to physical actions to resolve their conflicts, making the situation even more severe and chaotic. The crowd around was also unsure of what to do. This girl acts very decisively without hesitation or delay. She displays confidence in all her decisions and actions. She even straight up threw a cup of coffee. Oh my God.
How fucking big is that box? You passed over the road. You're fucking lucky that I didn't mention it, didn't you? If you'd have actually had the decency to go over one side and take the whole fucking car. Are you a fucking tank? No. Are you a car? No. You're a fucking little bicycle. But you think I want to be in the middle of the road? That's your problem to get knocked off. Is that what he says in the highway code? No, he says knock you cups on. Is that what he said? Yeah. You're on camera. Excuse me. Would you like that, bro? Would you like the road? Would you like the road? Sorry.
There may have been a minor collision, leading to a dispute over the right-of-way between the two men. Both began to argue loudly, not only about each other's mistakes, but also about their rights and priority in moving. The tension between them escalated quickly, with harsh words and hostile attitudes. Each person tried to defend their own point of view, causing the argument to become increasingly noisy and uncontrollable. Bystanders around felt concerned about the escalation of the situation and might start intervening to prevent a more serious altercation.
Get the out of the car.
Good job, bro.
Get the out of the car.
Oh, he's gonna. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, get that in the hood, though.
Oh shit. He snapped. He snapped. He snapped. Shut up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come back. I am sorry.
Ooh, you just kicked the car.
Perhaps all these men will immediately realize their actions when the situation becomes clearer. As tensions ease and they have time to reflect, they might understand that their actions have exacerbated the situation and were unnecessary. They may feel embarrassed about their behavior and recognize that arguing and conflict are not effective ways to resolve issues. Thank you all for watching our video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more useful videos and lessons from various road situations and unexpected scenarios. We strive to provide valuable and practical content to help you better understand traffic situations and how to handle them effectively. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and join us in learning from real-life experiences.